Doart Rockcore, moving forward day by day with the sun, utilizes core to manufacture each solar panel. From solar cells cut into the L testing of finished products, every step is highly automated. Laser dicing. Place the large-sized solar cells into the laser dicing machine. Rapidly segment them into the desired sizes using a high-energy laser beam, ensuring smooth and crack-free cross-sections. Automatic welding. Segmented solar cells are conveyed to the automatic welding machine. According to preset specification, they are automatically connected in series, then conveyed to the overlap welding area for next step, with 100% visual inspection conducted during the operation. Cutting. Glasses or backboards and EVA are placed into the automatic cutting machine, with all above materials centered and conveyed to ensure precise laying of EVA on each glass or backboard. The automatic cutting machine punches holes, segments, and cuts according to preset dimensions, then classifies the cut pieces for conveyance to the welding area and backboard installation area separately. Overlap welding. The automatic welding machine overlap welds the glass with EVA and solar cell strings together, while the automatic tape machine secures the position of the overlap welded solar cell strings and pastes the unique serial number before conveyance to the backboard installation bar. Backboard or glass installation. The automatic installation equipment installs backboard or glass onto the welded module, making them semi-finished products and conveying them to the L testing area. Semi-finished product L testing before lamination. Utilizing L testing equipment to examine each semi-finished product. If any defects are detected, the system automatically identifies the serial number for rework. Qualified products are conveyed to the lamination area. Semi-finished product lamination. The automatic laminating machine completes the bonding of EVA, glass, and backboard through a process involving high-temperature heating and vacuum pumping, thereby encapsulating the solar cells. Edge trimming. Upon completion of encapsulation, the automatic edge trimming knife removes excess material from the frame, ensuring all edges flat and smooth. Appearance inspection after lamination. After edge trimming, they are conveyed once again to the inspection area for appearance inspection, segregating defective products and recording serial numbers to ensure the quality of each component. Finished product framing. Automated framing of inspected qualified modules, with the gluing machine first applying adhesive to the aluminum alloy frames, followed by the framing machine accurately bonding the laminated PV panels with the aluminum alloy frames. Junction box installation and soldering. Automatic gluing and installation of the junction box onto the framed PV panel, with precise inspection of welding points by the automatic welding head, conducting welding at each point. Junction box cool filling. The automatic glue filling machine evenly fills the welded junction boxes with glue solidification. Finished products with filled glue are transferred to the solidification area for natural solidification. Cleaning. Solidified PV panels are automatically conveyed to the cleaning area, where workers thoroughly clean each piece with alcohol cleaning cloth and conduct repeated visual inspections. Electrical performance testing. After cleaning, they are conveyed again to the testing area for electrical parameter testing, ensuring no defective products are overlooked. EL testing for finished product. Upon completion of electrical parameter testing, secondary testing is conducted for L luminescence and overall appearance, with labels affixed in preparation for warehousing. Packaging. All inspected qualified finished products are classified, prepackaged, boxed, palletized, and warehoused. Shipping. The final products are shipped in containers and exported by sea to various countries of the world, contributing to the renewable energy future. This is the entire production process of our PV panels. Every step undergoes rigorous control and inspection to ensure that each panel we produce is of high quality. We are committed not only to providing high-quality products, but also to delivering excellent service to our customers. We look forward to serving you.